Hey, so it's early April and I'm out here doing some spring cleaning, and I just wanted to show you what the hibiscus looks like this early in the year. This is it. This is the plum crazy. All of these stems are dead. They're not hollow, but they're like styrofoamy. If you go to the base of the plant, which is where the new growth comes from, there's nothing yet, and that's okay. It won't start showing up until June. So be patient. Don't dig it up. Let it do its thing, and it will give you a huge show once it's ready. It's totally worth the wait. I leave the stems this low during the winter so that it's obvious where it is, so nobody steps on it or I don't forget about it. You can cut it back if you'd like. They're not very sharp. I would just leave it until you see new growth coming up. Here's the dark mystery hibiscus, and it's the same thing. It's just not ready. It's still sleeping. I'm assuming it's because a hibiscus is a tropical plant. This is a hardy hibiscus, so it survives in a zone 6, which goes down to -20 or so sometimes. But yeah, no new growth yet. So we just leave it and wait. This is one of the hibiscus. Let's see. Dark mystery. Doing great. One of the latest to show life. There's the other hibiscus. Plum crazy, I think.